Intecplan is a Windows software that helps you write a professional business plan quickly and easily. It uses artificial intelligence and real databases to create a complete project, including financial forecasts with actual values and the first written version of your plan. The first time you open it, just select your language, country, and currency. Then, enter your sector, subsector, and sales range, and that's it. Click, and let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting, saving you weeks or even months of work. Intecplan generates your financial forecast in Excel, with real budgets for income, investment, and costs, plus key profitability indicators, net present value, internal rate of return, payback period, and projected financial statements. From this data and your selected country, sector, and sales, the software also creates the first written draft in Word, ready for you to review and customize. You get clear text, support questions, images, and a summary of the forecast, all ready to tailor with your products and strategies without starting from zero. An online manual is also included, with definitions, examples, and easy explanations of core financial concepts. Buy your license now with instant download and get your first business plan done today. Visit our website to learn more and contact us with any questions.